Greetings everyone, it's good to have you back. Thank you for being here. Unfortunately, I need to take a quick couple minutes to do a little update here. I just want to bring you guys up to date on the current scam that's going on YouTube. You've probably heard about this on other channels, but if you haven't, I just need to say this because a lot of my viewers are still getting scammed. Someone just contacted me yesterday and they got totally taken by this, and unfortunately a lot of others as well. So what's going on is there's these spam accounts where they're downloading channel art. Like on my channel, I have my little AdventureVanMan logo. They download that, they create an account and use that logo art with a phone number for the name, for their handle, and then they're going into YouTube videos in the comment section and replying to all of your comments, telling you that you've won a prize and that you need to text the number above. And then when you text that number above, they ask for your personal information, which is phishing scam already. And then they're telling you that if you want your prize that's supposedly worth a bunch of money, that you need to pay for the shipping, which has been usually around $100 to $150. Total scam. You're not winning a prize. It's not me, unfortunately. A lot of people have been taken in by the fact that my little logo is there, even though it's not my name. I guess that's what's confusing you and you're thinking it's me, but it's not. So I apologize to all of you that have been scammed by this and have been taken for some money and they've gotten your information. Don't reply to these comments. It's not me on my videos or any other channel. Rarely do any YouTubers ever offer any giveaways through the comment section. They do it within a video, vocally, with their own voice, through a video. So if you're getting any links or anything in the comment section, that's always a scam. They're usually phishing scams where they just want your personal info so they can sell it to these big companies, or they're trying to get money out of you via telling you you've won a prize and you need to pay for the shipping. So don't fall for it, guys. Same thing goes for on your cell phone. Anyone that's calling you, telling you you've won something, it's always a scam. It's another one with Amazon. You get a phone call and they're saying there's fraudulent charges and that you need to call a certain number. Never call that number. Go through your Amazon account and check there. All that stuff is scams, and unfortunately they prey on people that aren't that tech savvy and aren't aware of these things, and those are the people that they actually are successful, and it keeps them running and making money and scamming people, and it's horrible. It really gets my blood boiling, but I don't want to spend too much time on that. This video is about being out in nature and enjoying the beauty of our wonderful planet and eating great food. So anyway, we're going to get to the video, guys. I have another message for you guys at the end of the video. I've got some exciting news I'm going to share a little bit about. So enjoy the video and we'll see you soon. Okay, well, this is always a tough thing to have to do. I need to move on. I did not plan well. Basically, I need to get into cell range to make some arrangements with Kelly and do one final thing as far as registering my trailer. That was foolish on my part. I could have done that before I came out here without cell service, and now it's probably going to cost me some gas and leaving this awesome campsite. Sometimes I end up in a spot where it's just going to be an overnight, and when I get there, I just love it so much. I wish I could just stay for 2 weeks, but you know, I don't have a whole lot of deadlines and stuff going on in my life, so I'm very grateful for that. But when I do, it kind of, you know, really makes me value those times when I'm able to just make decisions on the fly. And okay, yeah, instead of one night, it's going to be, you know, 8 or 9 nights. But today is not one of those days. I do need to move on. Who knows, we may end up back in this spot, but I really don't want to do too much backtracking, so I need to further check into the route. Again, just kind of a lot of poor planning, spur of the moment, just moving on type things. So yeah, we'll see what we end up doing. Okay, we are mixing up some breakfast this morning, cooking up this hash brown patty. Just gonna fry up an egg. Got this one last piece of Canadian bacon or ham, whatever you'd like to call it. It's nice and crispy. Okay, we're making it back out to Highway 44, heading west. And away we go. This is Old Station, California, population 51, elevation 4,300 feet. Okay, this sign says the Shasta Trinity National Forest 7-day camping stay limit. So they do the 7-day instead of the 14-day here, it looks like. Okay, I think I'm on the right track here. Somehow I got turned around on this road. I don't know why, I'm just not having very high hopes of there being an available spot at this campground. It's approaching 4 p.m. and it's just a clear, beautiful day. Small free campground next to a lake, so if there's a spot, I'll be surprised. There's only one way of knowing, and that's going and checking it out. If there's not a spot, I'm kind of keeping an eye out for any available pull-offs, little forest roads, and such. I think this is our spot here. Come on, let there be an open spot. Castle Lake Campground. Oh. Here's my buddy.
Hey, buddy.
How you doing?
Nothing down there.
Yeah, let's pull up, huh? Saw a lot of vans coming down the hill. Nice anyway? Nice.
Hi.
That's a horrible football. You don't like it? Boy, those bees. All these little bees. They're really swarming. Alright. Cooking out on my little stove because my other stove is still acting up. Just doing some chicken and veggies. Our little makeshift camp here, tucked up in the hills, above Mount Shasta or near Mount Shasta, Shasta Lake. Let's see, I think Shasta is off in the distance here somewhere. Yep, right through there. Nice view of the volcano. And all of our bee friends. They are really coming out. Get away from me. This is Castle Lake here. Mountain lake. Beautiful. Look at that. That is awesome. Kelly hot rodding around. Ooh, blackberries. They ripe? Mmm. Here we are at the lower lake. I believe it's called Siskiyou, something like that. It's a bigger lake down here. A couple nice day use areas that are free, and I believe a campground around here. You're looking straight at Mount Shasta there. Very little snow on it right now.
So much fun!
That's fun, buddy. All right, so just a little update from our camp. This is the Shasta Trinity National Forest, I believe, and we are got Mount Shasta right there in front of us. And then Castle Lake up the hill, just about a mile. Real pretty lake. We've been riding up and just hanging out. Had a little snack up there today. And then there's a bigger lake down below. I forget the name of it. We rode down there as well. And a lot of bike projects today. We did some electrical work. I installed a mount for a GPS unit so I can have a GPS on here that's wired to the battery. Charges while I ride. And what else? Oh, also a USB charging port that's going to be in back for being able to charge stuff. Surprisingly took a lot longer than anticipated. Kelly pretty much did the same thing because we have twin bikes. She's in the process of doing a lot of organizing in there. She's actually storing her motorcycle inside her van alongside where her bed is. So when she gets that closer to being finalized, I'm sure she'll be glad to give us a little peek. But in the meantime, we're getting cleaned up here at camp and going to reheat some leftover pizza and call it a day here. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you again for being here. Another quick little update. I have hired a friend of mine, Lindsay, to do some artwork for me. I'm going to have a new logo for the channel, some new t-shirt and sticker designs that should be available and unveiled here soon. So that's really exciting on my end. Looking forward to sharing it with all of you guys, as well as I'm trying to get a website up and running and some other things that will be available to you guys hopefully soon. So that's keeping me busy in the background, as well as some personal stuff as well. So on that note, I do want to mention and say that I am working hard towards getting back to a place to upload videos on a more regular basis and more videos overall. Trying to get back to the 2 a week and hopefully one day back to the 3 videos a week like I was doing for a while. And also I just want to give love and encouragement to those of you out there that are going through tough and trying times right now, or illness or suffering, or just feeling like you're going at life all alone. You're not alone. There are many of us out there that are going through those tough times as well. If you're caring for a loved one, a parent, sibling that's getting on in age and suffering, and you're the primary care person for them, I just really want to commend you and encourage you. You're doing the right thing, even though it can be very challenging. And that's a tough time in life. And as we all get older, our loved ones and people in our lives and friends and extended family get older as well. And that it can be very challenging to deal with, and oftentimes feel like we're going at it all alone. But just know that you're not alone. There are many of us out there going through the same thing, and we can get through it. So I thank you guys for being here, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care, guys. Peace.